What if your AI coding assistant did not just solve your problem, but actually learned how you solve them? With AI coding assistants, you often discover useful workflows, but keeping those skills organized and reusable is still largely a manual process. That's where AutoHarness from Tigerless Labs comes in. AutoHarness is a self-learning skill layer for Claude Code that turns real coding sessions into reusable skills. It doesn't just simply keep adding more and more skills. It can learn from real work, merge similar skills, update existing ones when new experience comes in, and archive skills that stop being useful. Under the hood, AutoHarness has a simple but interesting pipeline. Cap captures what happens during your session. Ref reflect on that experience and decides whether to add, merge, patch, or discard a skill. The promoter validates and writes the skill, and the MNG, the skills, manages the skills lifecycle based on the actual uses. So, the idea isn't to replace your AI model, it's to make the skill layer around that model continuously learn from real work. Want to try it? At the Tiger Labs marketplace, install the auto harness, reload Claude Code, and you are ready to go. If you are building with Claude Code, check out Auto Harness by Tiger Labs. Explore the repository, see how the architecture works, and try it yourself.